Hello everyone, ke Coach Tangi today. Re tlo etsa the Herbalife Sports products and ke kopa kaofela re be ready and we need to have that energy too. So on the Herbalife Sports products, di entse ho latela ditlhoko tsa batho be leng hore ba ha ikwetlisa. So it's totally different from the normal products tse le tse re di tsebang because this one also you will see them with the color black and the brand by the Herbalife Sports products. They are totally different. So today we to understand now what is it different from those products. So first of all, the time we exercise, meaning that we ikwetlisa nako o ikwetlisang o sebedisa mmele wa hao haholo feta ka mokgwa o ntse o sebedisa jwale le dijo kapa di-nutrients tse o tlo di sebedisa di tlo feta tse o ntse o di sebedisa before hore o kgone ho fihlella ditlhoko tsa mmele ka nako eno e wena o ikwetlisang. Mohlala o haufinyane fela kwa hore the time we exercise o tlo ukwa le ho tshwarwa ke tlala kapa ho lapa o ukwa so o hloka dijo tse seng di le ngata haholo hona o bolela hore so gain di-muscles tse seng di le ngata so o tlo sebedisa matla a mangata haholo hore di-muscle tseno kaofela di tle di kgone hore di sebetse. So ntho tseno ke ntho tse o tlo di thola dijong. Jwale we have the sports person nutrition e leng dijo tsa tla ba di sebedisa as a Herbalife member or the customer o sebedisa this Formula 1 sport and the nutrients it's not just the protein, 18 gram of protein, and we know that it's very important to bear the protein, especially how long to ikwetlisa because protein ke yone e tlo thusa ho build kapa ho haha mesifa ya hao le hore e ntlafatsa mesifa ena le ho lokisa mesifa e o kuleng bohloko re kenyeletsa ntho tse kang lesapo le tsohle tse mmeleng wa hao. Protein ke yone e bapalang karolo e hodimo haholo hore e thuse dintho tseno kaofela. Jwale on the Herbalife Formula 1 sport e leng shake ena yone e shebahala ka tseleng. Do we all see it? Okay, so in this shake ba tshetse protein and all the vitamins and minerals tse nang le boikarabello ba hore di thusa hore exercise ya hao e kgone hore e etsahale hantle. One more important thing le the protein in this shake e bitswang the whey protein, and the whey protein it's one of the protein it's on from the milk and it's very good because mmele o kgona ho e absorba ka pele hore e kgone ho thibela hore mesifa kapa di-muscles tsa hao di utlwe bohloko and it thusa hape le ho build up the muscles tsa hao. So it's very very important and renale the other amino acid here it's also added. I hope we all see it. L-glutamine. So that is one of the best amino acids tse thusang your muscles so di kgone ba recovered and you need to get them. So this Herbalife Sports it offer 18 gram of the protein. We sebedisa a part of your breakfast in the morning, then utlabo ujile hantle and ukhono for all your muscles what they need. And on secondly, we have the hydration. The hydration e bohlokwa haholo na go exercise and even after exercising because some of the times you go exercise during the hot temperatures. Some of the time when exercising you lose metsi le metsi a tlotla wa lose ka ho sweat. Even breathing na go hemang o tlo lose metsi. So metsi ana ha o so wa lose itse ha tsamaya le mamfela a tsamaya le dintho tso thweng ke di electrolytes. Then on the electrolytes ke the minerals tsene tse kang bo di magnesium tse leng hore di thusa hore di boloke metsi mmeleng wa hao di etsa hore ska lahla metsi a mangata. Then they also di tlo thusa hape le hore di mesifa ha e kgona hore e sebetse hantle. And we have the best product here which is called the hydrate and ishebala. So in here only 20 sachet in it, then onga one sachet which is one serving, then we tell metsi then we sebedisa enale those electrolytes that go to sorry metsi a ska lahlela le mangata mmeleng during exercise even after exercise. So also it thusa hore the muscles tsa hao di kgone ho sebetsa hantle. So ke drink e leng o e tshela ka metsi during your activities so wena o tla bo o di etsa hore metsi a kgone ho khutlela mmeleng hape. So also ho edwe the B vitamins. B vitamins ke tsona tse thusang hore ha o sontso o jele dijo tse nang le energy di thusa ho ntlafatsa tsele mmele wa hao o tlo etsa energy ka yona, meaning that you will feel more energetic, because especially we know that this person ka uba ke motho a santsa ikwetlisa o hloka matla haholo. So the B vitamins di tlo thusa for those activities tsa hao. Then here is the biggest part, because exercising is because of energy. Energy we know Then we know that on the energy part, we have the main source of energy, which is called the carbohydrates. And Mona, I know most of the people have about the carbohydrates, but overweight. No, half an hour carbohydrates are looking at me, how it's really do licanetting. Perform on your activities. The moment we energy, a lack of energy, we need to go back on the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Now, energy. Then we have this product here, which is called a Prolong, and Prolong, meaning that if you want to take a long exercises more than 1 hour, the Prolong is here for you. And we have the best source of the carbohydrates, maltodextrin. And on the maltodextrin, we know that Miloahao Utroka energy kapilinyana, because we say it's during exercising. So how Utroka energy immediately, Utroka the best source of carbohydrates for that energy immediately. That is why we say the carbohydrates between maltodextrin. Absorb even faster than glucose, or you feel that immediate energy. You will also feel that energy after drinking this prolonged drink, and this energy is amazing, and that dizziness and the lack of energy is going to be over in your body. So by taking this prolonged, for that energy. Also, who do a whey protein during your exercising period, the muscle breakdown, meaning that you protect the muscles during exercising period with this 6.8 gram of protein. Also, on top of those carbohydrates, the maltodextrin, the B vitamins. The B vitamins need to improve energy production, meaning that this is energy drink here during your exercising period. That higher energy will perform all your activities. And for those exercises more than 1 hour, every hour you can take your Prolong that energy for any type of activity each and every hour. Then we also have what we call CR7 drive as part of the energy. Okay, so on the CR7, we also have the carbohydrates in CR7. So who boetse hape wa tshelwa le the electrolytes the muscles are. Then we have those electrolytes, the minerals like the magnesium and sodium in here. To balance your water balance in the body. And also the B vitamins in it, or due to improve the energy production from the carbohydrates. So Leona we say it's during your exercising period, or one of manner that energy. And the best part, which is recovery. And most of the people recover go bontsha hore nakong ya le yo nona le this energy o ikwetlisa ho na le mesifa e leng hore e utlwile bohloko na le masapo and le di-cell tse ding ho na le tse shweleng jwale o tlameha o boele o di tsosolose hape hore di kgone hore di phele o busetsa dintho tsohle tse wena o di sebediseng nakong eo o neng o ikwetlisa o di busetsa hape mmeleng wa hao. So o tlameha o fumane the best recovery nutrients tse tlo thusa o busetsa ntho tseno o latela gona o tla bolahlile dintho tse kae le o latela gona mofuta wa exercise o etsang ke ofeng. Then we have rebuild endurance. Then on the rebuild endurance, It's for those people they take those exercises think a longer period, and the aerobic on the aerobic exercises. But let me say this person was running, let me say this person was dancing, but for a longer period of time, then you need this rebuild endurance, it offer the protein, and we have 10 grams of protein in here, and the carbohydrates in it. The reason why is because the time the glucose system high, so you need to replace the carbohydrates, then it is stored on the body. You need to replace the protein also in your body for the recovery. So it's very good, and only the amino acid also the muscles how on the healthy state. Then lastly, renale a rebuild strength. Then for the people who are lifting for anaerobic exercises, those exercises alone, for other people it's hard for them, like lifting. The time we lift or the muscles haholo in a short period of time, but you also want to gain a lean muscles. Renale the rebuild strength, and the rebuild strength is 25 grams of protein in it. So it's a very high protein. It will to gain those lean muscles after lifting. And also the BCAAs, the amino acid set especially for the pain, they also help with the recovery. The reduce the pain after exercising. Your muscles sometimes after lifting, those pains in there. So this BCCA will reduce that. And also the iron added in there, and we know that iron need to serve for the oxygen transport in the body, meaning that when oxygen is flow in your body, all the nutrients all your body cells, and the recovery part it's going to be perfect in your body. And after exercising is your recovery to rebuild your muscles, they are damaged, they are torn, some are dead, with 25 grams of the protein. Then on top of that, the energy enhancers, meaning that already how so the carbohydrates are how to increase also your energy in the body. Energy enhancers, which the first one is an NRG. Then on NRG in the caffeine, and we know that caffeine need to serve for the concentration of your brain, and it also happen for the physical activity to active. Your muscles, you're gonna have that energy, and it's only 42 milligrams of caffeine in our NRG. Then for those people who are allowed to use the caffeine, to enhance the energy, or more energy. So we tell which is a good thing, because then lastly we have the lift off. So on the lift off, the caffeine, which is 85 milligrams of the caffeine in lift off. They also added the B vitamins. So once you take it, you will also feel that energy that you can take you through all your exercising period or any time of the day. So it also, Leona, it also support that the carbohydrates so delaying. That is why it's an energy enhancer. So I hope we all got the information that we need for our exercises. And if you have any questions, you can just ask me on my Facebook page, which is Coach Danki. Then I will answer everything there. Goodbye, guys.